My name's Corey Tuckner and I'm a project manager here with Grand Exteriors. We're out here in Maplewood today doing a pretty good sized roof. Our goal is to always not just meet customer expectations, but to exceed customer expectations, and we do this in numerous different ways. Number one, safety is our concern. As you can see on the roof behind us, the crew is roped off. Make sure that on steep roofs they're not slipping, falling. That's number one hazard really anytime you're getting on a roof. Even a short slip can lead to a big problem. So as you can see, they are roped off. We do have safety precautions. We do also have a mobile dumpster that's pulled up right now that's on hydraulics that raises to the roof height so that the crew can take the materials and throw them into the raised up dumpster versus kind of leaning forward far, throwing into a dumpster on the ground. It enhances safety as well. And another way that we really go about safety here at Grand Exteriors is Minnesota summers get very hot and they're also very short. We have about a 7-month period to do roofs. So with that, Minnesota can throw us very extremes. It can be very cold, very hot. They pose different challenges, especially in the summer when it's very hot. That does become a safety concern. So behind us, we do have the crew's lunch here, and we also have water on hold for them for when they need to come down, get some water. We advocate that they take breaks, make sure that they can stay healthy and able to finish out the roof. Another couple ways that we do separate ourselves from the competition is speedy jobs. We like to get things started and done very quickly. We don't like to have things hanging out there for an extended period of time. So being able to tell a customer, hey, we're gonna do your roof, getting it done, within 1 to 2 weeks, getting that for them. It's another way that we don't only just meet customer expectations, but that's one way that we also exceed as well. We expect that a customer's home is left in the same condition it was when we showed up. And our crews do this in multiple ways. As you can see behind us, there's multiple nets laying up, there's multiple tarps up against the house, so that when shingles are tossed from the roof, that we're not having things go against the siding, leave any marks on the siding in that way. And then also on the driveway here, we do have it covered as well, so that if anyone does throw any nails off, we're able to swoop those up. And then we do a thorough job site cleanup after. So after everything is done and the crew's cleaned up, project manager, myself, Corey, will walk around. I'll have a magnet. I'll make sure that everything is in tip-top condition, so when the customer's going through their yard or their driveway, they're not having tires popped or catching nails in their feet. So we do a thorough job cleaning up after, and job site cleanup is very high for us to make sure customers are very happy. Another way that we ensure that we're exceeding customer expectations is not to just clean up on the job at the end of the job. We're continuously cleaning up as the job's going during the day to ensure that we're not having shingles laying on the ground, a lot of tarps with a lot of weight on them, so that we end up burning the customer's grass and creating other problems in their yard. So we continuously clean through the day and then do a final check at the end to swoop to make sure that everything is in tip-top condition for the customer.